folks, my name is Dr. David Kulla with Synergy Wellness in New York City. So today's video is what we call phase 3 of your ACL rehab, or your anterior cruciate ligament rehab. Now, these exercises should not be done unless you've been in physical therapy for at least 6 weeks, or at least doing my phase 1 rehab and phase 2 rehab video. Again, these exercises should not be done if you've had an ACL repair or ACL surgery and haven't done any exercises at all. Do not do this. Try our phase 1 rehab exercise first for the first 2 weeks. Phase 2 is weeks 2 through 6, and this video, phase 3, 6 through 12. So let's get right into it. Here's some of my favorite phase 3, weeks 6 through 12 ACL rehab exercises. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I hope you give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We've got plenty more coming out, and feel free to comment below if there's a specific video you'd like to see. Thank you.
Stand straight with your arms to the side or on your hips. Take a large step forwards on your affected leg, then drop your hips directly down between both feet, bending your hips and knees to a 90 degrees. Push back up to the starting position, and repeat. Make sure you take a large enough step that your front knee does not travel over your foot, and ensure your knee travels directly forwards. Keep your body up straight throughout the movement. Balance on your affected leg. Once you have control, close your eyes. Focus on the pressure going through the sole of your foot to help you maintain your balance. Place a BOSU ball on the floor on the flat side near a wall. Use the wall for support if needed. Stand on the center of the BOSU with your feet together and move your hands off the wall. Try and balance for as long as you can. You can make this exercise more difficult by turning your head, or by closing your eyes. Take a large step out to the side and keep both feet flat on the floor with the toes slightly turned out. Shift your weight to one side, bending this knee. You will feel a stretch down the inside of the thigh on the straight leg. Hold this position. Exercise on the stair climbing machine for the required duration of time. Row for the stated amount of time, ensuring you drive through your legs. Lie on your front with your toes on the floor. Place your forearms on the floor and push up, lifting your torso and legs. Hold a straight line from your shoulders to your feet for as long as you can, preventing the back from sagging. Keep your buttocks squeezed and your hips level. You will feel the core muscles working. Place your shins and ankles on a stability ball whilst balancing yourself on your hands in a plank position. Keeping your shoulders strong, bring your knees towards your chest, then slowly extend your legs back out to the start position. Keeping your shoulders and trunk strong throughout this movement. Lie on your back with your legs bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips up into a bridge, driving the movement with your buttocks. March one leg, and then the other, keeping your pelvis up and level throughout the exercise. Lie on your side with your feet, ankles and knees together. Bend the legs a little and tighten your core stability muscles. Keeping the feet together, lift the top knee up. Make sure you don't roll your body back with the movement. Control the movement as you bring the knee back down to the starting position. Lie on your back with your legs bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your abdomen and tighten your abdominal muscles. Raise one leg, and then the other leg, up to the tabletop position, with your hips and knees at 90 degrees. Maintaining a strong stable position with your back, lower one heel down towards the floor, then return to the tabletop position. Repeat with the other leg. Continue this movement, ensuring you do not allow your lower back to arch. Adjust the seat to a comfortable start position for your knees and hips. Position your feet comfortably on the foot plates with your toes pointing slightly outwards. Push into the foot plate until your legs are fully extended. Return to the start position. Lie on your back with your legs bent and feet on an unstable surface. Your legs should be hips width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, and tighten your buttock muscles, lifting your hips up off the floor. Aim to achieve a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold this position, then lower your hips back down to the floor before you repeat the movement. Place a BOSU ball on the floor on the flat side. Stand a large pace away from it and then lunge onto the BOSU with your affected leg. Make sure your knee travels forwards over your toes and you drop your hips down towards the floor, bending both knees to 90 degrees. Push back up to the start position and repeat, keeping control in your trunk using your core stability muscles.